Hey, thanks. Here's my $20. I just spent all my money on this scythe. Yeah. And it can talk to me. Scythe, what should I do today?
Go to that evil
Go back
Gumball
to that
machine.
evil Gumball machine? But
I can see it, and it has
did
Gumball.
you see it has gumballs? Yeah? Okay, I will. Yes. Last time it scanned me and I... What was that? Here's the gumball machine. See it? It's right there. What was that?
Howdy!
What the?
I'm a magic gumball machine now.
The magic?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Hey, put me down!
No, I'm throwing your gumballs. Alright. What?
Get back in my stand,
Fine.
or else my hot dog will attack you!
Oh no! I gotta run.
You don't want to mess with that hot dog, dude. Put me back at my stand. Thank you.
There's my size. Okay. Wait. Where's the gumball machine?
Come over here, you idiot!
Who is this?
I'm over here, you idiot!
Oh. Okay.
Don't touch me!
Oh,
Or else
sorry.
I'll get my kicking out stick.
Oh. Okay.
Hurry.
Can I have a gumball? How much money is the gumball?
Well, they can be 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents.
Alright. I'll go get my money. Alright, I got a quarter. Alright. Where's the gumball machine? Oh, there it is. Put it in. Oh. Ooh, I got a gumball. It's so hard. Ooh, stick. Ah!
Don't touch my kicking out stick.
Oh, sorry.
Dang it.
No, run, he's distracted. Run. Come on. Let's run. No. So we gotta run.
Okay.
This whole place. Is he coming? Tell me if he's coming.
No, he's not coming.
Oh. It's just my dog. Ew, this gum is disgusting. Ugh.
Do you want a different gum? I brought some.
Where's my... Ooh, gum. Yeah. Just got me some normal gum. Where's my scythe? I need my scythe. Found my scythe? I have a scythe. Now what should I do? Go eat a hot dog? Alright, whatever you say, scythe. Oh, there's a hot dog right here. What was that? Ew! Blech. Has fur on it. Let's ask the scythe now what should I do. Oh no! The cursed gumball machine! Oh hey, water. Scythe. Magical scythe. What should I do? Drink water?
You just throw my brother.
I need to tell you something.
Just throw my brother.
I need to tell you something,
What?
gumball machine. You're bad. Go. That's a scary gumball. What? Oh no, I see it! Ah!
Whack. Whack it
Ah! I got it! Splinter! Stick thing. No, my scythe! My scythe! He stole my scythe!
Into a cage.
No,
Oh, I can't
my
even-
scythe is in a cage. How do I get in here? How do I open this? Ding, ding, ding. All right. Let's go right there. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Haha, now I lock you in the cage.
Oh no! I just stepped over the magic scythe. What should I do? Climb over the fence again? Climb over the fence? Alright. Oh no, he locked my brother in! He locked my brother in! You evil gumball machine! I got
You'll
it.
never be getting out of this cage soon.
Oh my gosh, I jumped over. Let's go on top. Oh man, I lost him. Let's go up top of here.
Human more, go.
Oh, hi.
Hey, I'm just a dude with a stick.
That looks like a familiar stick.
Just a dude with a stick.
Can I see it?
No.
Why does that have the exact same bandage? Get that. Oh my gosh, I found a quarter. Magic quarter. Heads means I should terrorize that gumball machine. And with that stick, that man. Tails, I take the stick away from him. What was it? What was it? What was it? Heads. I gotta go get the gumball machine. Ah! The person is the gumball machine. Oh no!
Haha, you'll never get me. I locked myself in the cage.
Man! Oh, we need to plan out how to get that. So then we can destroy it once.
Magic stick whacking powers, go! Whack!
Ah, he's whacking us! Oh my gosh, I found a totally not a Nerf gun. Just a normal gun. Pew, pew, pew. Ah, there's no ammo.
A gumball machine.
Oh, look at it. There's another gumball machine. Maybe I can pretend this is his brother. And then he'll get out to hug me.
I have taken
Brother!
all your weapons.
Brother! Brother, I miss you, brother.
Brother, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. How can I get you out? Thanks. Ah! Thanks for the gumball. Go, 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 go. What the? It's a basketball court. Nothing to be here. No weapons here.
Your scythe is still in that cage.
I need my scythe. You hold this. Hide it somewhere. Hide it somewhere where somebody won't see it. I'll go get the scythe. Just keep it. If we get the scythe on the gumball machine, we win.
Why are you hitting yourself? 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 Why are you hitting yourself?
You
Why
are
you hitting
cruel.
yourself?
Give me that. Give me that. All right, let's go plan this out somewhere else. All right, let's go so we can't hear us. Good?
That's stinky.
The hot dog!
You guys think that I am trapped with you guys?
Oh,
Because you are holding me. Well, that random guy's holding me.
I am not a random guy.
don't.
Use a gumball machine. Never.
Magical hot dog, go.
Yeah, my magical hot dog.
Well, guess what? I got a. Ah! Oh, guess what? I got a orange picker. I got a grapefruit picker. Here, you hold.
Guess what? I have gas
Film.
that only shoots one fireball. Fireball!
You missed. Maybe this is the right scythe. Scythe, what should I do? It's not the scythe.
Run!
Maybe we gotta pick a grapefruit and then throw it at him. Go, 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 go.
You guys don't even know about my master plan.
No, we know. We know.
Should I have said that out loud?
No, we know your master plan. We don't know his master plan. Here. You hold this. I gotta go pick a cake. I'm not telling. Because then you're just gonna... Oh, that too! Double power! Oh, man, I missed. Maybe grapefruit isn't so good. No!
Magic hot dog!
Ah! I got the magic hot dog now!
No!
I gotta go, Paul.
No! Go, Paul! My only weakness!
Oh. I almost got him. Magic hot dog, go!
Stop.
Oh, man! I missed. I'm so bad at it. Oh.
Magic wheelbarrow!
Now we got the magic wheelbarrow.
No! Well, guess what? Magic golf club!
Oh. Magic dirty shoe.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, magic ball.
Ow!
Well, guess what? Magical dirty shop. Guess what? Oh my gosh, maybe an orange. No, that's too big of an orange. I don't want to kill him automatically.
I'm the random guy in the store. I'll never. Dude, it's my Gumball machine. I'm still in.
Gotta get him. Whew. Ah, man, I suck at aiming. Oh, you know your lesson, kids. Do not go to an evil Gumball or else you'll waste all your money. And then you'll get terrorized and then your friend will die. And then an evil person will come and tell you not to go in the trash.
Be continued.
With the